Good morning students. In this video we will discuss exercise 8.2 of NCERT. First of all we will start how to make this trigonometric table for these angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. See here, we will start it by writing this sine A as 0 by root 0 by 4. Here root 1 by 4. Root 2 by 4, it is root 3 by 4, and here it is root 4 by 4. Now see here, 0 by 4 means root 0 by 4 means 0. It is 1 by 2. This will become 1 by root 2. Here it is root 3 by 2, and root 4 by 4 means 1. This is the easiest way to make trigonometric table. See here, 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4, and here it is root 4 by 4. Right? Now for cos A, we will start these values from here. Cos A is, cos 0 is 1, then cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, then cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. Right? Sin A is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, and cos A is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and it is 0. And as we have already discussed, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So this tan 0 should be equal to sin 0 by cos 0. So it is 0 by 1 means 0. Tan 30 is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. It will become 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. It is equal to 1. Tan 60 is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. It is root 3. Tan 90 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it is not defined. Right? And in a previous exercise we have discussed that cot is the reciprocal of tan. So if tan A is 0, 0 means 0 by 1. Then cot A should be 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means it is not defined. If tan 30 is 1 by root 3, then cot 30 is root 3. If tan 45 is 1, then cot 45 is also 1. If tan 60 is 1, 60 is root 3, so cot 60 is 1 by root 3. And see here, if tan A is 1 by 0 not defined, so cot 90 should be 0 by 1 means 0. Now come to secant. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 0 is 1. So secant 0 is also 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So it will become root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it will become 2 by 1. Cos 90 is 0, so it will become reciprocal of 0 is, yes, reciprocal of 0 is 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 means it will become 1 by 0, not defined. Then come to cosecant. Sin A is 0, sin 0 is 0, it means cosecant 0 is 1 by 0 means not defined. Right? Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cosecant 30 is 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, so cosecant 45 is root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Now see here, cosecant 90 is 1. So sin 90 is 1, so cosecant 90 is also 1. This is your trigonometric table. Now come to your exercise 8.2. Question number 1, first part. Sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Now see here, value of sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30, it is root 3 by 2. Then cos 60, it is 1 by 2. Then sin 30, it is 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. 2 into 2, 4. And this is 1 by 4. So it is 4 by 4 equals to 1. So this will be your answer. Now in second part, evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Now 2 tan square 45, see value of tan 45, it is equal to 1. So tan square 45 means 1 square. Cos square 30, now see cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Square of it. Then come to sin square 60. Now sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So it will become 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 positive negative cancel. So it is equal to 2 is your answer. Now in third part, cos 45 upon secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Now see cos 45, it is equal to 1 by root 2. Secant 30, now see secant 30, it is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30, see here cosecant 30 is 2 by 1. Root 3 LCM, it will become 2 plus 2 root 3 1 by root 2 into root 3 plus root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3. Can we take 2 common between these two terms? So it will become 2 root 2 and here it is root 3 plus 1. Right? So multiply or divide it by root 2 and root 3 plus 1. Rationalizing along denominator. With the opposite sign we are multiplying and divide. Here we have this root 2 single term, so multiplying and divided by root 2. So it will become root 6 into root 3 minus 1, and this will become 2 root 2 into root 2, it is 4. And see here, a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So it is root 18 minus root 6 upon 4 into square and root cancel, 3. 1 square means 1. So it is root 18 minus root 6 upon 4 into 2, 8. Right? So we can write this root 18 as 3 root 2 minus root 6 as it is upon root 8. So this will be our answer. Solution of remaining part of first question you can see in the description box of this video. Now come to question number 2. First part, 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30. Now see tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30. It is 1 by root 3 whole square. One by root 3 whole square means it is 1 by 3. Plus 1. So it is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. The term which is a denominator, convert it into multiply. We will take reciprocal of it. This 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. 2. I can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3, and on denominator it is root 3 into 2. So it is equal to root 3 by 2. Now see the options which are given in the question. It is first A option is sin 60. We know it sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So option A is your answer, sin 60. Now come to the second part. It is 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. So 1 minus, see tan 45 is, it is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square 45. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. It is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means it is 0. Now see the option. First option is A tan 90. Now see the tan 90, it is not defined. Then option B is equal to 1. But the answer is A 0. Sin 45 we know it. Sin 45 1 by root 2, and last option D is your answer. It is 0. Now come to third part. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is 2 when a is equal to a, b, c, d. 4 options are given. So we will start it by taking first option. It is equal to 0 degree. So I am putting here value of a is equal to 0. So 2 into 0, it will become sin 0 degree. And here 2 sin 0 degrees. So see, sin 0 is equal to 0 and 2 into sin 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. This a is equal to 0 degree is satisfying both sides. So option A, 0 degree is your answer. Right? Then come to fourth part. 2 tan 30 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus tan square 30. So it is 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM here. So it will become 3 minus 1. 2 by root 3 upon 2 by 3. So it is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 3 means I can write it as root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So root 3 is your answer. Now see the options. is first option is cos 60. See cos 60. It is 1 by 2. Second option is sin 60. It is root 3 by 2. Third option is tan 60. Now see tan 60. So C option, tan 60 is your answer. Now come to the question number 3. Now in question number 3, tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. And it is given that a plus b is greater than 0 and less than equal to 90. One more thing is given, angle A is greater than B. Find A and B. Now see here, tan A plus B. Now see in this trigonometric table, tan is root 3 at 60 degree. So I can write this root 3 as tan 60. In the same way here, tan A minus B is equal to 1 by 3. Now see tan is 1 by root 3 at 30 degree. So A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now we have two linear equations, right? Then subtracting 2 from 1, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Positive negative cancel. B plus B, it is 2B. 60 minus 30, 30. B is equal to 30 by 2. It is 15. From first, A plus 15 is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 minus 15 degree. So A is equal to 45 degree. Now see, A is greater than B. Right, so your answer is angle A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Okay student, this is all for today. First question, fourth and fifth part you will get from my description box of this video. And question number 4, it is about true false. Solution of this question is also you can get from my description box. Thank you very much. In next video we will discuss trigonometric identities.